Hey everyone, welcome back to top tier info on whatever. If you're a fan of adorable animals and mind-blowing facts, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving into the world of one of the most iconic creatures on the planet, the panda. From their bizarre thumb to their secretive habits, these fluffy giants have a lot more going on than meets the eye. So, grab some bamboo, or maybe not, and let's explore 10 fascinating facts about pandas that will leave you amazed. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more top-tier info on whatever you never knew you needed to know. 1. Pandas are mostly herbivores, but not true herbivores. Pandas may look like carnivores with their sharp claws and teeth, but they're primarily herbivores, with bamboo being the mainstay of their diet. In fact, about 99% of their diet consists of bamboo. Despite this, they aren't true herbivores. Their digestive system is similar to that of other carnivores, meaning they have a stomach that's not fully suited for breaking down plant matter. This makes it incredibly challenging for pandas to get the nutrients they need from bamboo, which is why they must eat large amounts, sometimes up to 26 to 84 pounds a day. 2. Pandas have an extra thumb. One of the most fascinating physical adaptations of pandas is their extra thumb. While it's not a true thumb, it's an elongated wrist bone that functions like a thumb, allowing them to better grip and manipulate bamboo. This unique adaptation is called a pseudothumb. Pandas use it to hold bamboo stalks while they strip the leaves and chew on them. This thumb-like bone is just one of the ways pandas have evolved to thrive on bamboo, which is otherwise difficult to process and eat. 3. Pandas spend most of their day eating. Pandas are true food lovers, but it's not just about the quantity, it's also about the time spent eating. They can spend up to 12 hours each day munching on bamboo. Because bamboo is low in nutritional value and difficult to digest, pandas need to eat a massive amount to meet their energy needs. Over the course of a day, they might consume 26 to 84 pounds of bamboo. This means they spend the majority of their time either eating or resting to digest their meals, only taking breaks to play, climb trees, or interact with other pandas during mating season. 4. They have a low reproductive rate. Pandas are known for having a notoriously low reproductive rate. Female pandas are only fertile for a short window, typically just 2 to 3 days a year, which makes mating difficult. This is compounded by the fact that female pandas are often solitary, and the males have to find them in the wild to mate. Even then, many panda pregnancies end in miscarriage or result in only one cub being born. The fact that pandas give birth to only 1 or 2 cubs at a time, and the cubs are born incredibly small and vulnerable, means that their populations grow very slowly. 5. Panda cubs are born extremely small. Despite the fact that adult pandas can weigh up to 250 pounds, their newborn cubs are incredibly small, weighing only about 4 ounces at birth. That's about 1/900th of the mother's body weight. This tiny size is almost a paradox, considering how large and powerful the adult panda is. Cubs are born blind, hairless, and helpless. Their mothers care for them for months, keeping them safe and feeding them until they're strong enough to venture out on their own. 6. Pandas have an amazing sense of smell. Pandas have a remarkably developed sense of smell, which they rely on to communicate with one another and to track down food. They have scent glands near their anus that release pheromones, which are used to mark their territory or signal their presence to other pandas. This is especially important during the mating season when scent plays a crucial role in attracting mates. Their sense of smell is also useful for locating food and ensuring they find the right types of bamboo, which can vary in nutritional quality. 7. Their habitat is primarily found in China. Pandas are native to China, where they live in the dense bamboo forests of the mountain ranges in central and southwestern China. These specific regions are rich in the bamboo species pandas rely on for food. However, the panda's habitat is rapidly shrinking due to deforestation, agriculture, and infrastructure development. As a result, pandas are considered an endangered species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their habitats and expand protected areas, but the future of the panda's habitat remains a critical concern. 8. Pandas can climb trees. Despite their large size and seemingly cumbersome appearance, pandas are excellent climbers. They climb trees for several reasons: to escape predators, to find food, and for fun. Young pandas are especially playful, and they can be seen tumbling and climbing trees as part of their development. Adult pandas, too, often climb trees to rest or seek out higher ground. Their sharp claws and powerful limbs help them navigate tree trunks with ease. 9. They are solitary animals. Pandas are solitary creatures. Unlike other species that live in groups or packs, pandas tend to keep to themselves, except during mating season. Each panda establishes its own territory, which it marks with scent markings. These territories can range from 1.5 to 4 square kilometers, depending on the availability of food. Pandas are most active during dawn and dusk, and they tend to avoid interactions with other pandas unless it's for mating. This solitary nature makes them somewhat elusive and adds to their mysterious charm. 10. Pandas have a symbolic meaning in Chinese culture. In Chinese culture, pandas hold a deep symbolic meaning. They are seen as a symbol of peace and harmony, with their black and white coloration representing balance. The Chinese government has also used pandas as a form of diplomacy. Known as panda diplomacy, the practice involves gifting pandas to other countries as a gesture of goodwill and friendship. This has led to pandas being displayed in zoos around the world and has helped raise awareness about conservation efforts. All right, that's a wrap on today's Panda Deep Dive. Who knew these adorable creatures had so many cool and surprising traits, right? From their unique thumb to their role in Chinese culture, pandas are way more than just cute faces. If you enjoyed learning about them, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Top Tier Info on Whatever for more amazing facts on the wildest topics out there. Drop a comment below with your favorite panda fact and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, folks.